Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use your VTuber or avatar to make TikTok super easily on an iPhone and grow your following. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social networks out there. It's great for discovery and for making new friends. Making content for TikTok can be really daunting, but I know this app called HyperOnline that lets you make TikToks with your avatar with just a phone. You don't need to use additional cables or OBS to record vertical videos, which makes it super easy to make content. And best of all, you can use the app anywhere. You don't have to be tied to a desktop or anything. So, before we get into the content creation part, we need to do a bit of brainstorming. TikTok really favors trending sounds and trending video formats, so I would highly recommend looking on your FYP or your For You page to figure out what is trending. You can tell something is trending when you see multiple people making the same type of video. Trends don't last long, so if you see something, be prepared to make that content immediately. If you're stuck on what to make, here are some ideas. Skits do amazingly well on TikTok. Keep it short, simple, and funny. You can duet a popular video with your reaction. Voice acting or impressions are also great. If you're good at singing, you can show off your singing skills. If you have a unique skill that you can teach, there is a huge audience that would want to learn that from you. Some other ideas are storytime videos, lip syncing popular audio. The ideas are endless. What you'll need to get started is, of course, a TikTok account, an iPhone, and your avatar. For this specific video, we're going to be using HyperOnline. There's a studio mode that makes it really easy to record videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, whatever you need. Step 1 is to download the app. Go to the App Store, look up HyperOnline, and download it. It's totally free. Step 2, make an avatar. You can import your own or use our character creator to make an avatar any way you'd like. There are lots of different hairstyles, outfits, accessories, and even more coming soon. You can also import a VRM in the app if you have one. We have a more detailed video about this, link in the description, but essentially all you gotta do is export a VRM from somewhere like vroid and send it to your iPhone. Go to the VRMs tab in our character creator and import it. This is also where you can pick your background. You can choose one of our default backgrounds or import a custom background that suits your character. Step 3. Once you're done with that, go to our home screen and hit the shoot button. You'll be taken to our studio mode. Here, you can customize the layout of what you're recording with the in-app tools. You can add PNGs, decorate the area, and more. Step 4. Once you set up your scene, hit the shoot button in the bottom left. Record your content, tap it again to stop the recording, and the video will be saved to your phone's photos library. After you've filmed all the clips in the app, you might want to edit a bit of the video. You can edit in-app on TikTok by importing all your clips, but if you want to get a little fancier, you can use alternate programs. I personally really like CapCut. With CapCut, you can trim your clips, add effects, zoom transitions, and it's really easy to spice up your footage in general. Now, if you like editing on desktop, Adobe Premiere is great for that, although I will say there is a bit of a learning curve for it. And if you want to use a lot of filters, you can try Prequel. They have vintage filters, sparkle filters, and a lot more. So, how to upload footage to TikTok. Step 1. After you've shot the perfect video in studio mode, you can then save it to your phone or send it to your friends. For the purposes of uploading to TikTok, however, you'll want to save it to your phone. Next, you can open up TikTok and hit the plus button that's labeled Record. This will open up a screen that will allow you to film and create TikToks. Step 2. Next to the record button, hit the square that says upload. This will take you to your phone's photo album. From here, you can choose which clips and photos you'd like to upload to TikTok. Step 3. Once you're done selecting your desired clips and photos, hit next. In this next screen, you can add sounds and adjust your clips. Once everything is to your liking, hit next in the top right corner of your screen. Step 4. You'll be taken to another screen that will let you do some minor editing. This page will allow you to add text with or without text-to-speech and voice over your own video. You can also apply filters, effects, and stickers here. You can also pick your audio from this screen. If you're lip syncing, you might have to realign the audio so it matches. When everything is spruced up to your liking, hit the red next button on the bottom right hand side. Step 5. This is the final screen. You can now add a description to your video followed by hashtags. For your description, you can ask a question related to the video or a short blurb about the video. And for hashtags, we typically recommend 3 to 4 hashtags for your video to circulate. And don't forget to change your cover photo. There are some additional settings down below, like who can watch your video, comment, duet, and stitch settings. Hit the red post button at the bottom of the screen to seal the deal. Your video will take a few seconds to process depending on the length of your TikTok, but afterwards it will be available for everyone to see. Next, how to grow your audience. So now that your TikTok is live, you might want to grow your audience. I would highly recommend interacting with other accounts and videos that resonate with you. Build your community by being authentic and supportive of your peers. Again, tapping in trends is a great way to grow. And TikTok views vary all the time, so don't be discouraged if one day you get a 100,000 view video and the next day you get like 50. It's totally normal, just focus on making content and having fun. And that's it for this video. As always, please be sure to hit the like button if this video helped you out, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.